You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And this guy right here is Trinell.
Yeah. We don't know the unlock code. If you know it,
let us know. But we're over in K-Town. We were craving Philly cheesesteaks just to sober up. And we're here at Booze.
So yeah, this place is known for Philly cheesesteak. And I mean, just come over here. It's amazing. And come check us out with us.
Let's go. All right, so we got some Philly cheesesteaks. We also got hoagies there.
Who's a hoe?
She a hoe.
Use a
Use a
hoe. So we're out here in LA having some Philly cheese motherfucking steak.
And they did it right too.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't say I'm from Philly or never had real Philly cheesesteak, but this looks bomb. So that's all I gotta say.
Yeah, we don't want to piss him off a little bit. So
then I got the Philly cheesesteak with. They actually put some mushroom on this one. Provolone and cheese whiz, so half and half. Cheese whiz, that's right, cheese whiz.
So I got the cheesesteak, just the OG cheesesteak with grilled onions on top and just straight up cheese whiz, baby.
Cheese whiz on that.
Interesting.
Cheese whiz.
I mean, it looks amazing.
I'm just ready to shout.
Filipino household, you got a bunch of cheese whiz in the cupboard. Alright, check this bad boy out. That's a good size too. Man.
You gotta get it with a cheese whiz. Cheese whiz is money. Yeah.
Oh man,
That's good.
it's good. Good hangover food, right?
Oh yeah. Man, you look sober already.
Good hangover food. Start with ramen.
Check it out. Look. It's really good. They put a lot of meat on this. They don't skimp out on the meat.
Or the cheese.
Or the cheese, yeah.
That's good. The meat's tender.
Like equal parts ratio to meat to cheese. This is cheese whiz.
Yep.
I'm telling you, man. All you need is cheese whiz, and that makes life better. I feel so much better. They're not lying. That cheese whiz hit my mouth, and I'm all like, what up?
He's talking.
Let me try it with this cheese whiz. Wow.
The meat by itself is just good too.
Oh yeah.
This is the what? The provolone?
Whoa. Oh my god, that cheese whiz is money.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think the one that Nate got, the provolone and the meat allows you to taste the meat though.
Fucking meat.
Cheese whiz.
That cheese whiz though, man. Oh.
I know, I like the meat on this one.
If you guys like the cheese whiz, put a smiley face on the comments below.
If you ever see anyone tell you that cheese whiz is fake, punch them in the face.
It's real, huh?
Yeah, but their menu's not that big. You got hoagies, so they got their hoagies where it's like cold sandwiches and all that stuff. You get the ham, turkey, and then you get their hot chili, Philly cheesesteaks. You can get original, you get cheesesteak.
They got pizza steak.
Pizza steak, yep. They even have a hoagie cheesesteak too. And they got fries.
Cheese whiz.
Cheese whiz.
But I never say it's good. They have, who's that big pen playing right now? Yeah, it's pretty small. The line's not crazy out the door, but it's pretty good food.
It's
This
good
is a
though.
messy sandwich.
We got it pretty quick. I think we probably get in and out of here in like 10 minutes. That's always good.
She called me Jonathan though. You lost a star for that.
The only thing is, it's in K-Town, so parking's hard to find. Unless you find a meter. Make sure you put coins. Otherwise, you'll get a ticket.
Except on Sundays, right? Yeah.
And then past 6 o'clock. Loading zones, you can park. Pro tip, baby.
Don't tell everybody that.
Thanks for joining us here today. Thanks, Sonny, for coming back. He's finally alive.
He's back to life.
Back to life. Check out the other video and you'll know what we're talking about. Cheese whiz. Cheese whiz. But if you guys know of any other cool spots you want us to check out, put it on the comments below. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification.
Ding, 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 ding.
That way you can watch more videos just like this one. Share this with your family and friends, because why?
I love it.
And we'll catch you on the next video.
Peace to life, baby.